Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix access denied in Zarchiver. Really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open your mobile settings, scroll down and tap on this apps, go for this permissions and then tap on permissions again. Now you have to select this files and you can see this option, see more apps that can access all files. Simply tap on it and in these apps you have to find this Zarchiver. Tap on it and you have to toggle this on, allow access to manage all files. And now for second method, what you can do is you have to go to this file manager in your mobile, go to this Android data, tap on this open and tap on this Android and data again. Now tap on these three dots in the top right corner and tap on this new window. Now back to recent apps, tap and hold on it and tap on this settings icon, tap on this uninstall updates and click on OK. After doing these settings, your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.